Welcome back to Ahuja Online Bookshop. Today, we're thrilled to introduce a must-have addition to your reading list, Bharatiya Rajyavavastha Samanya Adhyayan Bhag 1 2024 by Drishti Navatra. This book is a comprehensive guide to understanding the intricacies of Indian polity, catering to various competitive exams and educational pursuits. Whether you're preparing for UPPSC, UPSSSC, BPSC AE, UKPSC, or any other competitive exam, this book is your ultimate companion. With detailed insights into topics like judicial services, staff nurse, high court exams, and more, it's a treasure trove of knowledge for aspirants across diverse fields. The content of this book spans a wide range of subjects, including civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, computer science engineering, and many others. It's not just limited to engineering disciplines but also covers areas like library and information science, banking, current affairs, and even defense exams like RRB, CISF, and DRDO. But the usefulness of this book doesn't end there. It's also an invaluable resource for those pursuing academic excellence, with sections tailored for university exams, up-board, and various scholarship examinations. From Cert to GATE, from nursing to paramedical exams, this book caters to all levels and fields of education. So, whether you're a student, a job aspirant, or simply a knowledge enthusiast, Bharatiya Rajyavavastha Samanya Adhyayan Bhag 1 2024 is a book you can't afford to miss. Stay ahead in your educational journey with this comprehensive guide, available now at Ahuja Online Bookshop. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the word. You can find these invaluable books at Ahuja Online Bookshop, conveniently located near Gramin Bank Rumakam Purnagar.